Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you guys are having a nice holiday with your family or whoever you chose to spend Christmas with. Today, I'm about to head into the office. It's Christmas Eve right now as I'm filming this video. I'm gonna head into the office and film some videos because my parents are here and I can't film at home. So, you guys are gonna get to see my office. I have, I think, about 3 videos planned today. 3 videos. One of them is the private Accord unboxing, of course. And the rest of them, I guess you guys have to wait and see. That's my office. Time to set up the lights. Now, as I'm setting up the lights, I actually want to just open this really quickly, spray it on my hand so that I can tell you guys how the fragrance is as I'm setting up, so we're not wasting time. This is the box, Hugo Boss Private Accord. Now, I've smelled the rest of the line before, the rest of the scent line from Hugo Boss, and I wasn't really impressed with a lot of them, to be perfectly honest. But this one has a note of chocolate in it from a lot of the reviews that I've watched, so I'm very excited for it. And here it is. The bottle is right here. Not bad. Not bad. Now, I do get a really nice chocolate vibe, but it's more like, it's not a rich type of chocolate. It's more dusty, like a chocolate kind of powder. I don't know every note that's in here, so I'm gonna look it up really quickly after I set this thing up. This thing has a top note of ginger and lemon, mid notes of maninka fruit, coffee, pepper, pineapple, and base notes of cacao, woody notes, amber wood, benzoin, patchouli, and vanilla. Overall, I do quite like it so far, just off first impression, but it does have quite a designer-ish smell. Designer-ish in terms of, it smells like a designer fragrance. It doesn't have any sort of niche quality about it, which is to be expected, you know. I'm just stating the facts here. I'm not saying it's bad because it smells designer, no. I'm just stating the fact that the cacao note in here smells very designery, because some people might look at a chocolate note and think it might be some nice niche quality chocolate note. No, it's not. It's more like a really nice synthetically powdered chocolate. The chocolate in here is mixed with a really nice fruity notes. I think that's the maninka note. Now, I'm not quite sure what maninka fruit actually smells like, so bear with me here, but I do think the fruitiness is coming from the maninka fruit, and in the opening you do get that really nice kind of singy ginger and bergamot combo, which is still there. It's been like, I think, around 5 minutes now. And yeah, the bergamot and the ginger is still there, but the main notes that comes out for sure is the powdery cacao note mixed with the fruity maninka note. Extension. Sorry, boss. I'll clean it up. Alright, let there be light. There you go. Perfect. That was so cheesy. Forgive me, guys. Alright. Setup is ready. This is gonna be the new studio from now on until my parents leave the house. So I hope you guys like this view. I quite like it. It's a nice change of pace for once. Alright, so Hugo Boss The Scent Private Accord. My thoughts on this fragrance so far is that it smells quite nice. It smells quite nice, but it does smell heavily of designer fragrances. Like it has such a synthetic type of smell that it kind of puts me off just a little bit. Don't get me wrong though, I do enjoy the smell. I do enjoy the cacao vibe, the dusty-ish chocolatey vibe, but there's something about it that I just don't like. Maybe that's just the original The Scent DNA, because I remember when I smelled The Scent Intense, and The Scent the black one, the black bottle, I forgot the name already. I smelled all of those and I was never really impressed by any of them. None of them really grabbed my attention personally, and I think the original DNA is still in this one. Of course, I don't remember the original DNA anymore. I don't remember what it smells like, but I think it might be the same DNA that's in the original that's also in this one that's kind of putting me off this thing. I do enjoy this one much more than the other ones though, because I remember, like I said, I don't like the other one. This one I do quite like, but it's a medium for me right now. Like, I don't love it, but I don't dislike it. It's really in between for me. I would have to test this one out more to give you guys a more well-rounded opinion. So far, off of first impression, smells like a nice fruity sweet fragrance with a powdery-ish chocolate. Overall vibe, very synthetic, very designery. Now I'm gonna make a quick prediction. I think this fragrance is gonna be a nice compliment getter because it does smell really nice. And in the fall and winter time, if it projects well, I can see it being a really nice compliment getter because in my experience, people just really like sweet fragrance. And this one is not too gourmandy where it smells too much like a dessert. It's gourmandish enough to give it some form of character, and it has enough sweetness to really be mass appealing. So if this thing projects well, it's gonna be a really good compliment getter. So yeah, hopefully that's the case. And if that is so, I'm gonna tell you guys all about it in the full review. I'm gonna wear this for about a week or so. A full review of this might come somewhere towards, you know, the beginning of January, somewhere around there, okay? So stay tuned for this one. Overall thoughts right now, around 3 out of 5. Don't love it, don't hate it. We do have a couple more fragrances to unbox. I decided, you know, since I'm doing an unboxing video already, let's just unbox all of them. The next one is a cheapie one. I got this for $20. This one is called Black Walnut by Banana Republic. Now I decided to buy a cheapie fragrance because I want to start a new series. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a top 10 cheapie fragrance list or to recommend you guys something that's like $20 and under, and I always try to avoid doing those topics, but I come to realize now that on my channel there are a lot of people who are running on a budget and they can't buy designer fragrances or niche fragrances, and they want something that is more affordable for them, and I come to kind of empathize with that a little bit. So I decided that every week from now on, I think I'll pick one of the days. One day every week I'm gonna do a cheapie fragrance video. So this is gonna be probably the first one I'm gonna review later on. This one again is Black Walnut. Alright, the box is like so if you care. I picked this one up at Marshall's if you guys are wondering. $20 only, $19.99, very cheap fragrance. But I heard Black Walnut is quite a good fragrance from Ashton. Ashton told me it's quite good, so I decided to pick it up. Sprayer is alright, not bad. Actually, this is not bad. For $19.99, this is really not bad at all. Nice, this is a really, really nice, and I'm saying nice in terms of $19.99 type of nice. It's a really nice signature scent. Like, it's kind of dark, it's kind of nutty. It fits the name Black Walnut really well. This fragrance has only 3 notes. The top note is cognac, the mid note is tobacco, and the base note is cedarwood. It smells nice. It smells honestly really, really nice. For $19.99, I would easily pick this up and wear it. If I was running on a budget, this could be my signature scent for sure. One thing I do hope is I hope this thing performs. If this thing performs, it would be a really nice gem to have in your collection for anyone at all running on a budget, or it could be a really nice Christmas gift, although Christmas is past now. You can save this for a birthday gift or an anniversary gift or something like that. It does smell really nice. I don't really get too much of the cognac. I don't get a lot of booziness. I do get the woodiness. I think the woodiness from the cedarwood is what made me think of a nutty kind of smell at the beginning. The tobacco in here gives it that nice darkness. It's not a smoky-ish tobacco. It's just a really nice subtle tobacco. It just gives the fragrance this really nice dark manly vibe. It smells really good. It smells really good. For $19.99, no brainer at all. I really like this one. You smell nice. You smell manly. You smell gentlemanly. In like a dark, mysterious kind of way, not a clean vetiver way, but a dark, mysterious, almost in a suit and tie kind of way. It smells good. I don't have a scent on today, actually, so I'm gonna put this on really quickly. I think 3 sprays is enough for tonight. I can see myself wearing a collared shirt like this. I can see myself wearing a suit with this. I can see myself in an office with this. It just works. So if you like dark, kind of tobacco-ish, woody fragrance, Black Walnut by Banana Republic is a nice choice so far. Alright guys, last but not least for today, we have a fragrance from Lancome. This one called L'Ultra Oud. Now this one, I ordered Oud Bouquet and they sent me the wrong fragrance, and it's been like a few weeks now and they haven't fixed that. They haven't given me a refund. They haven't sent me the right fragrance. So I decided that I'm not gonna go through all the trouble. I'm just gonna open this and just keep this one, but I will be giving them 1-star rating on eBay because they deserved it, okay? You gotta take care of your customers. This is just not acceptable, but I'm just too lazy to go through the process all over again. So I'm just gonna open it now. This one, if I remember the note correctly, it has rose, saffron, and oud, which reminds me already of Middle Eastern fragrance. I hope that it doesn't smell too much like a Middle Eastern fragrance, but the bottle looks really nice though. I really enjoy the look of this bottle. Alright, I barely have skin anymore to test this one out. Alright, moment of truth. Middle Eastern fragrance. Rose and saffron and oud. It smells
a lot like just in any Middle Eastern fragrance out there. Yeah, nothing too special to me. I'm kind of disappointed. I read the notes and I hate it. I hate when I read the notes and I kind of can already tell what the fragrance smells like, and when I actually smell it, it smells exactly like what the notes suggested. That is in a way good, I guess. That means the notes are very accurate, they're not lying to you. But in another sense is that there's no creativity in it. There's just zero creativity in this thing. It's just rose, saffron, and oud. That's just it. It smells good, don't get me wrong, it smells really good. I'm just disappointed that they could have made it a little bit more creative in a way, not just copy a Middle Eastern style fragrance and made it a little bit more high quality, which is what they did here. They definitely used more high quality ingredients to my nose anyway. It doesn't smell so scratchy, it doesn't smell so synthetic-y, but the creativity is just not there. That's why I wanted to return this thing. I wanted to return it because I read the notes and I was like, this is not going to be something I like. Unfortunately, it is not something I like, so now I have to keep it. I could sell it, but it won't go for much, and now I just have to keep it. Now, for those who really like rose and saffron though, this is a really nice rounded rose and saffron one. It's really heavy on the saffron. You really get that spiciness off of it. The rose itself is a little bit sweet. It's more in the background. The oud is not all the way popped up yet. I'm guessing it will pop up more in the mid or the base. It's just not here yet. Just lingering around the background for now. But overall, if you like a Middle Eastern style fragrance with rose, saffron, and oud, you're gonna like this one. It's a no-brainer. It smells just like a more high quality version of the rest of them that you guys have probably smelled before. Overall, nice scent. I can see this lasting quite a long time because oud and rose are typically really strong notes, and Middle Eastern fragrance and Middle Eastern DNA in general tend to last really long on your skin. The only thing I have a problem with this fragrance is that the creativity. Like I said again, the creativity is not there. I read the note, it smells just like the note breakdown. It's good in a way, but it's also disappointing and too predictable in a way. I really wanted to try Oud Bouquet. I'll go ahead and buy Oud Bouquet another time. But yeah, L'Autre Oud by Lancôme, not my favorite at this moment. Some people might like it. I don't really like it, so hard pass on this one. I'll probably end up giving this away as a gift for someone, or maybe a giveaway for you guys later. Yeah, maybe a giveaway. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me on the little vlog journey of me setting up the office. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys again have a very, very great Christmas. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel, being a part of this family. We're almost 23,000 strong now. I think we're gonna hit 23,000 by before New Year's. That's my goal anyway. And with that said guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be reviewing these fragrance. Private Accord is gonna come beginning of January. Black Walnut is gonna come maybe at the end of December. Stay tuned for this one. This one I actually really do like. I'm selling this or giving it away, as I told you guys. But with that said guys, I'll see you guys next time with another video tomorrow. Peace out and bye. I can't reach the screen. I can't reach. Bye. I'm done filming for today, and before I leave, I'm gonna give you guys actually a quick office tour. I start here from the door, and as you can see, we have 2 baccarat table right here. We have several blackjack table, and back there we have 2 really big craps table. To the side we have roulette tables, and we have some specialty game carnival pai gow table right here. The craps tables are absolutely huge. By the way, we have another practice crap table right there. So yeah, this is just a really quick office tour. This is where I work. This is a dealer school, casino dealer school. I work here as a videographer. If you guys want to know, I make YouTube videos for them. I make just videos for the website. So yeah, if you guys are ever wondering, this is what I do outside YouTube. Now, bye for real. Have a happy holiday, guys. Peace.